Hi everyone, Involve Asia Affiliate Marketing News Update tayo for today, and nandito tayo sa official Facebook page, Involve Asia Philippines Official Group. Okay, meron tayong announcement from their admin. Credits to Emma J.A. Subject, okay, Involve Asia Referral Program. Okay, this is to inform our partners that the Involve Asia Referral Program has been officially discontinued. Okay, effective immediately. Okay, we will be working on a new referral method to better serve our partners. Thank you for your patronage and understanding.
Thank you for your patronage.
Now, ang ginawa natin dito guys, nag-revisit din tayo ng ating mga emails, and nakita ko talaga 7 days ago, naka-receive tayo ng email from Involve Asia admin. Siya rin to, si Emma. As mentioned in the email we sent on August 4, 2023, we would like to remind you that the Involve Asia referral program will be suspended until further notice. Okay? We have found that the current version of the referral program and its benefits are not the best version yet. Okay? But don't worry, because we have new and exciting plans for an even better version of our referral program. Okay? Thank you for your participation and invaluable support to the Involve Asia referral program. Stay tuned for our next announcement regards Involve Asia, okay? So talagang legitimate itong information na to, and nakikita natin dito sa footer or yung lower part ng email, talagang nandito yung legitimate email contact or support team ng Involve Asia. We care at involve.asia, okay? Talagang nakakahinayang tong news na to, pero ang kinaganda naman ito, hindi naman siya totally mawawala until further notice. And pagbalik nito, ang sinasabi dito sa email, positive naman yung note niya na sa susunod na mag-open sila or maglo-launch ng panibagong referral program, it's even better than the previous one we've had. Okay, so syempre kapag nangyari yun, mag-upload din tayo ng update video about it. Okay. Now, disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and cryptocurrency YouTube channel. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. More fruitful gains, everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog.